Yeah, hello guys. A lot of people have been asking me, okay, how do I make my video, my chairs, my background? Truth is that the whole of those things you see, they are not real. The seat I'm sitting on is not real. My background is not real too. But in this video, I'm going to show you how to achieve that same thing using green screen. All you just need is light up, a very good laptop like mine, and also your camera should be at least very okay. Then if you're asking on what camera do I use to shoot, I'm using iPhone XR to shoot my videos. So let's dive down to CapCut and let's get this magic rolling. Let's quickly go to CapCut. Then we'll click on new project. So the video we are watching the first time, that's what we used to make this practical. So click on it. Yeah, hello guys. A lot of people have been asking. Click on add. Now what I will need to do is, first of all, um, I may decide to take this out. I'm trying to create an overlay. So it's called an overlay. So what I will do is that I'll click on overlay. I'll say add overlay. I will locate my background that I want to use. I want to use the particular one that I normally use, which is this. So even this chair will make use of it. The link to download this background will be on my description of this video. Next thing is for us to add the chair. So for us to add the chair, sorry, I need to delete this too. Okay, for us to add the chair where we want it to be. Then the chair must be a green screen because we need to remove the background, the green background of the chair. So click on chroma key, then we'll select, we'll pick the green to remove the green. Then you need to clean up the edges so that the chair will look, and also the shadows so that the chair will look more realistic. Now after doing that, we position it to how we want it. So now the video that we did that time, that's what we are going to use now. So that video is we're going to add another layer. That layer will not be the video we just that should be on video. That is this one. Yeah, hello guys. A lot of people have been asking me, okay, how so click on do I make my add. Now also going to remove the green screen, that is the green background of this particular video. You can also do auto remove. You can do auto remove. Oh, probably. Oh, sorry, my internet also. So do picker, pick this. Yeah, I think it's better now. Okay, make it finer. Okay, it's better now. So what we now need to do is, maybe I have to place this guy here. Place my this thing here. Don't forget the seat already is at my back, so I need to make it bold. Yeah, so that it won't look that fake. Now, if you see, hello guys, a lot this of is people have been asking me achieve the background. So then no matter how I turn the seat, I can also do tracking, but if you want me to do tracking, that will be in our next video. Yeah, be in our next video. So it's better now. So that's how um those my videos with background chairs and all real, backgrounds and all real. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much and stay connected.